Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, go to your contacts and find the contact you'd like to block. Then let's tap on it and tap on this info icon, let's say. Tap on more, so the three dots icon, and tap on block contact. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which we will enter in the second way of blocking the number. So here it does not really matter where we'll be. We have to open the settings, so tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter settings. Now let's tap block numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, and the previous option also works. You can add the contact here, the number with the usage of the contacts or recents also, or simply add the phone number manually here. Tap on this plus icon and it will be immediately applied. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher text, which your device will block them. Of course, you can unblock this option just by tapping on the switcher again. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this minus icon next to it. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.